Good afternoon, my vision of loveliness.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Fine, thank you.
Hi everybody, welcome to Big OGGIE World. I got it right this time.
You did get it right this time.
I know. There'll be a bloopers at some point, the bloopers video. So today I'm in a celebratory mood.
Why is that then?
Oh come on, you don't remember?
I'm
You don't
just
remember
checking.
that little Italian restaurant at Cribs Causeway in Bristol?
Of course I do.
You don't
It wasn't
remember
little,
what did you have? I had, I can't remember what the meal was, I was too busy looking at you.
I had pizza.
Did you? Well, you probably did. I probably had pasta. I was just too busy looking at you, my love.
Yeah, of course
all
you
the
were.
way through.
God.
Yeah. But I do know that we had this.
We did.
Well,
sort of.
Yeah. 9 years ago,
A few days ago.
a couple of days ago, yeah, we delayed this one slightly due to events that happened this week in the UK.
Yeah.
So 9 years ago this week, we got engaged.
We did.
I bought a ring.
You did?
Not in society, not particularly cheap one, it's fine.
No, I haven't got it on.
Got it on?
No, but because I wear my wedding ring.
I know. I never take my ring.
But it
ever.
won't fit with my wedding ring.
Just gonna use a new ring now to make it fit with the wedding ring, don't you?
No.
Yeah. Right. We still love each other, honestly, don't we?
Yes, dear.
Okay. So, as part of the meal, we had peach Bellinis.
We did.
So, peach Bellini is, well, it has various different versions really. There's a dead simple version, invented by Harry's Bar in Venice in 1936.
I love Venice.
Not been yet.
I have.
Yeah, you went there with another husband.
Yeah, another life.
I'm not even discussing it. I've not been to Venice with you. 9 years have been together. I've not been to Venice yet.
Where have we been, John? We've been as far as Weymouth. Let's be
Weymouth.
real.
No, that's
Right,
all right.
Cornwall.
We have been to the Netherlands.
Briefly.
Very briefly.
Yeah.
Do you want to know how briefly? An hour and a half.
Yes.
To pick up a cat,
Yeah.
which we don't even own anymore.
No.
No one has ever gone on a ferry to the Netherlands to pick up a cat to bring it back.
I bet they have,
Well,
but we just don't
certainly
hear
not
about
in
it a
our
lot.
world. Yeah, okay. So, we digress. So we're going to make our own version of peach Bellini today because there are various different versions out there. This is just the way I like it. Okay, so ideally, in a wonderful, ideal, beautiful world with paradise outside and warm weather, we'd be using fresh peaches.
Yeah.
You'd be getting a couple of fresh peaches, you'd be cutting them around the edge, splitting them, taking the stone out, taking the skin off, putting them in a blender. This is England. I'm not being funny, but the amount of peaches we've tried this year have been rough.
Awful.
So we're going with tin, which is perfectly acceptable. If you also want to, get away with not do this bit, you can. We've actually used Granini peach nectar, peach juice. There's various different peach juices out there. Try that.
In fact, we tend to use that at Christmas.
Yeah, it's easy, it's quick.
Yeah. Can I just check? Do you want the juice with this or just?
Predominantly put the peach in, but a little bit of juice will be fine. That'll just help sweeten it up.
I'll just drain a little
Do
bit.
that then. Okay, so what we're also going to do is we're going to add a little bit extra peachness into it, a little bit of extra oomph. We're going to add a bit of peach schnapps. Various brands are available. This is Archer's, obviously. Not a lot of that left, love.
No, sorry,
Been using that?
I like Archer's.
Yeah, put you right. And that's really what it is. Sometimes you might be able to add a little bit of sugar syrup in if you want. But basically, we're just going to put a bit of a slug of that in. Do you want to measure that or do you want to slug it in?
There ain't that much left, I may as well just slug
I'm
it
not
in.
putting that lot in.
Well, no, but...
Just a bit. A bit more.
That's enough.
No. Okay. And then we're going to blitz that up. Bear with, that's going to be noisy. Looks good to me. Dry hands.
Smells
Dry
lush.
bottle. I think it's called puree, not mush.
No, I said smells lush.
Oh, just get that Bristolian accent again, coming back, isn't that Gert lush stuff?
No, it's not
Yeah.
Gert lush. I said it smells.
Right, we're going to open a bottle of Prosecco because we're in Italy here, yeah, Little Italy. You can use champagne if you want. Prosecco is very nice right now. It's also a bit cheaper. We've got this with M&S. There's supposed to be a good deal going on at the moment.
Yeah, nice one.
So we say, when you open bottles like this, tend to twist the bottle, not the cork, because the cork will go flying out somewhere and knock someone's eye out. Yeah, and also have a bit of an angle. That way it doesn't
Froth.
go everywhere. If you do that and try and pull the top out, that's when it all shoots out everywhere and looks fantastic if you're in a Grand Prix.
But it's a bit of a waste.
Bit of a waste, absolutely. So, ideally with this, it's about a 1/3, 2/3 combination. So, pouring a chunk of this. This has already been in the fridge. That's been in the fridge. This bit wasn't.
That much?
Yeah, about fine. So if you want to put the tin in the fridge as well to make sure that the peaches are cold, you can do that too.
So I was kind of like a half and half girl myself, but
Well,
I'll
that
go with
makes
your
it a
measurement.
bit less booze.
Well, you just added
Well, that's
schnapps
true.
in
Yeah,
as well.
ideally there'd be a bit less booze. You can also add a little raspberry or something, a little strawberry in this, but we haven't got any at the moment. It's not particularly in season right now. And that's pretty much it. Then you're going to get yourself a little spoon and stir them up. They're going to take a while, this. Hang on, not much booze in that yet.
No, there isn't, but if you...
So it's a very simple cocktail. Good one for Christmas. We are going to be producing a lot of Christmas cocktails actually. I've got some ideas for some of those, some classics and hopefully some new ones.
We always have peach Bellinis on Christmas morning.
We do, yeah. It's one of those mimosa type things. There's lots of different mimosa style drinks with different fruit juices and alcohol obviously. We're going to get a bit of a head on these, okay?
I have to say that's a pretty fizzy Prosecco now.
Yeah, some of these, I haven't tried this one before, so we're trying this one. It's a really nice one you get from Sainsbury's. Try and find the one that's a little bit on the peachy side. When you look at the descriptions, you find some of the bit peachy. Happy with that? A bit more.
Thing is, as soon as you try it, it just fizzes back up.
Yeah, it'll be good. Drops are good. And cheers, darling.
Cheers.
Happy anniversary.
Yeah.
Happy engagement anniversary. We get married in March, so we might think of something for that. Cheers, everybody. Give this one a try. Dead easy. Like I said, you just literally get a tin of peaches, blitz them up, put a bit of something in if you want to add a bit more oomph.
I don't even think this is a drink. Personally, I think this is a food group, so you can't even get caught for drinking at lunchtime.
Nice, isn't it?
Yummy.
Really good. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please subscribe, please hit the notification bell, do all those things. Come and join Big OGGIE World for a cocktail corner for recipes from Kelly predominantly, for travel stuff wherever we go, and Big OGGIE Golf for me hitting a few balls around the wrong direction and sometimes the right one. Bye everyone, speak soon.
Bye.
What a kiss now, love.
No.